Okay. How you guys doing? Will here from Blue Label Cigar Lounge. Thanks for tuning in. Let's see. So today we're going to, we got this nice box of cigars here from Don Pepin, or my father. And I thought it would be kind of fun just to unbox this thing. It's still sealed up. Just trying to, you know, it's kind of fun to see how things are shipped in. Supposedly there's 5 boxes of this limited edition cigar. It's a blend that was put together, the Don Pepin Blue Label. It's the 20th anniversary cigar. And from what I'm told, there's 5,000 of these worldwide, okay? And the U.S.'s allocation is only 3,900 boxes. So what is that? 3,895, because there's 5 here. I think I did my math right? 3,895, yeah. All right, so let's see what else. It's a 6.5 by 52 size. It's got Pilo de Oro in it. So it's a Habano 2000 wrapper with Nicaragua binder and filler. And it's also got some Pilo de Oyo in there. So it's a Pilo de Oyo. Oya. Oro. God, my Spanish is horrible. So that means hair of gold. So traditionally, it's not really used in the industry much, and it's not resistant to mold as some of the other strains are. So they don't typically use it very often. The let's see here, it's an old world Cuban seed, and supposedly it makes a difference. So I can't wait to try it out. So let's see what we get. All right, so we're gonna cut this guy open. Here we go. Okay. Kind of fun. All right, let's see what we got here. Well, it looks like I've got 869. This is kind of interesting. I don't know if you can see that. Let's see. So inside my box, it says 869. There's my letter from Pepin, 869. So everything was numbered. So that's kind of neat. Let's take a look inside. Let's see what's in there. I think it's just the invoice, copy of the invoice. I should prepare you guys. These are, yeah, it's just my invoice. So, I should prepare you guys. These are not cheap. They are coming in retail right at around $40 per stick. There they are. You ready? Okay, let's see if I can get you guys in here. The box is pretty heavy. Okay, here we go. Just some styrofoam. Take that guy off. And seems like a nice cardboard box. Which one should we take out? This guy, right here? All right, let's take out one of these guys. All right, so let's take this. We'll move this guy out of the way. I don't think we'll need that. Okay. So, here we go. Nice cardboard box. Let's see. I'm going to try and get this perfectly centered here for you guys. No, that's the wrong way. Okay. So, nice cardboard box. Let's see here. Ooh, it's pretty cool. Let's see, we'll bring this guy in just a little bit tighter here, huh? Perfect. Okay. Pretty fun. Here we go. Woo! Yeah, what's in the box? What's in the box? Pretty neat. Little velvet enclosure here. Oop, that's wrapped up in there pretty good. All right. this way. Oh, wow. Look at this. Now, this is different than the other 20th anniversaries they're bringing out. So I think there's only 1,000 of those. The big humidor, they're made by LE Blue. Those are not out yet. But look at this. That is really slick. I love the blue. It's like a marble with a gold, nice polish. Can you see this nice plaque right here? Very cool. Yes. So this is the Pepin Garcia Blue 20th anniversary. Let's see if we can get this guy slid out here. Oh no, there's a paper seal on it. We're going to have to cut it. Oh well. Let's see. Isn't that neat looking? It's got some nice feet on there. Pretty cool. Warranty seal. So there's that. Goes around like this. Pretty cool. So we'll have to make one little slice here. Neat. Okay. I'm going to grab my blade, just my fingertip like this, so I can get in here nice and easy. So we just barely slice that. We don't get the box. Don't hurt my box. Don't hurt your box? Okay, here we go. Little push button release. Oh! Pretty neat. Look at this. Now, the 15 and the, oh, that's a good fit. The 15 and the 10 all had coffins. This is done a little differently. Look at that nice thickness. Nice laser engraving. It smells nice. Smells like cedar. Not Teen Spirit. All right, so we got our card. Wow, look at those. All right, let's give a quick look here. Back in May, Pepin family. All right, so I'll give you guys a second there to read this. Let's see, get the reflection off of there. There we go. Pretty cool. And then look at these guys. Here we go. Each one banded 2003, 2023. There we go. Pretty cool, huh? Let's see. I don't want to take it out of the cello, but maybe we'll take one out. Who wants to take it out? Should we take it out? Okay, fine. Well, I'll have to try one of these anyway, so. How's the aroma? The box smells like cedar, I can tell you that. And I can't smell it through the cello. Let's go. Let's take it out. Come on. Ooh. Look at that. Nice cap. I wonder if you guys can see this. Will it focus? Is that in focus, guys? I hope so. Nice construction. Beautiful cap. A little oily, a little polished. Look at that. Nice little toothy. Yeah, a little toothy on the wrapper. I can see the oil from here. Yeah, that's pretty nice. Lots of cinnamon leather. nutmeg or something. Oh, definitely poopy. Yep, that's definitely a little bit of hamster cage in there. Oh, that's going to be a good one. There we go. Cool. Well, thanks guys for tuning in for the official unboxing. It was, yeah, it's just something fun. These are going to be going on the humidor shelf here in the next 24, 48 hours, so they're ready to go. And if you have any questions, you can call us here at the lounge, 815-524-4179. And you can always follow us on Instagram at Blue Label Cigar Lounge, or of course right here on Facebook for all the new announcements and what's in the humidor. And I'll see you again soon. Oh, this is great. I'm going to put this away. Okay, this is mine. It's going in my stash. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Thanks for tuning in. Again, Will here with Blue Label Cigar Lounge. Nice unboxing of the Pepin 20th anniversary limited edition cigar. Remember guys, there's only 3,900 of these boxes in the United States, so they most likely will be gone pretty quick. This one, of course, is going to be missing one. That's mine, so you might have to deal with one of the 5 boxes being light a cigar. Unless you want to take it from my hands. All right, I'll see you again. Don Pepin 20th anniversary unboxing. I'll see you guys soon.